Yeah. Some man a make a bag of silly chat. Attack, say they are the city lock. Through them buy a one car, they feel a yacht.
Yes, my viewers, subscribers, it's your boy Stula. Welcome to Real Talk. Viewers, one of my dog link me and say, Stula, take over this Alkaline. And me say, nah fam, take over, know what time is it. Take over, run out with a tune called Building Block. It depend on the pandemic rhythm and we are going to jump in it. Meds.
Why them I poor van and not in on my fam? No joke. How we go? Yeah! Some man a make a bag of silly chat.
Viewer, subscriber, right there so we take over say, lock down everything, a silly chat. The dog say building pan building block. That mean he must set a foundation for him and him family. So if me come here so come tell you say take over this Alkaline, mood again know the wrong message where take over say. Take over make you know say yo, don't because you buy a car, don't mean say you are run the city. Don't mean say you got the city like dog. It dog a teach you something dog for you to sit down and meds. And know say a building block, build a foundation for you and your family. You see me? So when a man a go say tell me say boy yo take over this Alkaline, a silly chat that dog. Take over know what time is it? Meds.
Attack, say they are the city lock. Through them buy a one car, they feel a yacht. Yo Riley, me see say them a idiot. Fool. Building pan building block. Building pan building block. Upstairs man gone pan the building top. Building pan building block building.
Viewer subscriber, here when me meds with takeover and me also like it. Takeover say hear me I go build good tune and me I go make the tune them speak for itself. That put takeover in a fit him own lane. Enough boy out a road a run up and down and said them got the city lock and them run things because you know you push a whip and you do this and you do that. You take a girl go a Burger King or KFC or anything. Fam, you not really do nothing dog. And at that take over and make you know say yo all of them thing the way you do a silly thing dog, a silly chat. You not run nothing. Cause you see if you not set a foundation for yourself, you don't have nothing dog. Meds.
Me not fi fight for the place. Never. Focus on my gun on the money chase. Yeah. Ricky see him on a priest or real estate. Girl come on the block, no one leave my place. Food in the kitchen, girl feed the face. Man a gas to the money, me no need no break. Me skinny maga girl, me buy her some shape. Life a treat me good, me put her some weight.
Viewer subscriber, a whole heap of young talent right now. If you listen to the message I will take over give them. Take over make you know says a money chase him depend. A real estate him a pray. So the dog a make you know say you see when me get my chips, me I go put it in a something more. Real estate them type of thing there. You see me? The dog a make you know say him now go out there so just go buy a car just we drive up or down or buy some chain or buy a watch or buy them little thing there. The dog a say I eat that thing that. So him now go out a road go floss. He must set a foundation for him and him family. And we have to say X amount for that the kind of message we take over and make you know say him a pray and the young talent them for pray. Meds.
Pan building block, couple story. Me call that house pan house. Feel good for the upstairs I look out. Couple extra room, couple niggas the boat. Roll low key, them can't figure me out. Button press gate. Yeah, me have the remote. Big bull in the yard, boy, what you approach. Them a high bow, carry and gal with me done out. Them no have no sense, we germs them a boss.
Viewer subscriber, you see if you not pre them kind of message I will take over I tell you, then you're just a cruff. It's simple as that dog, you're just a cruff. Cause the dog a make you know say yo, them a gal where you go hype over, them gal are done, them gal are coming like a harbor, ship go in and out and come out, you see me? So them gal are done and that the man a tell you. The man a make you know say yo dog, him want to know say yo, I know one story or two story, where him know say him can stand up and look out and can say yes Father God, blessed, and me put that down. You know what I mean? You know when your dog them come check you and you know say you dip on the ends and a bonus spliff and a drink all couple jag and our guineas and you just know say your vibes good and them thing you take over I tell you. Meds.
Real estate. That the thugs on my pray. For the rainy day dog you better save your money. You can't live in a car dog, remember that. No joke. better get a shelter. Brother, you remember. Don't joke.
Viewer, subscriber. You no ever hear the old people them say put something away for the rainy day? Because one day I go come where you go want it. So when you're there on road every day and a floss and you go feel say you are the man. A day go come where you go broke dog and you not gonna have nothing. So when TakeOve tell us say yo dog put a shelter over your head. Somewhere where you can put on your head at night time. Something where a girl come check you and can look on and say boy yo you know say me proud of you. And you do this, make even your mother feel good. And them kind of thing there. So the dog will give you a message. I love the message called, you know remember alien mode? When the dog will tell us, say, yo, nobody call me because I nah move. And now the dog will tell you what make him nah move. Because them kind of thing you him a pray. Me love the message we TakeOve give your dog. Meds.
Building pan building block, building pan building block. Chuck it on. Me not fi fight for the place. Never. Focus on my gun on the money chase. Yeah. Ricky see him on a priest or real estate. Girl come on the block, no one leave my place. Food in the kitchen, girl feed the face. Man I gas to the money, me no need no break.
Viewer, subscriber. You see how me pre-TakeOve? If him a go on the same way how him a go on right now, all the next 3-4 years you go hear about him. You see me? Because the dog in a fit him own lane. The dog a do fit him own thing. And the dog a make some good tune. I like it. So we have to say X amount of respect goes out to TakeOve. Viewer, subscriber, left it in the comment section. Where you think about that one, yeah? Building black. The dog say building pan building black dog for real. You see me? Me love them message and me love them talk, ya dog. Viewer, subscriber, right now it's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. When I say nothing more dog, your boy Stola 1. We out.